everyone, start off by taking a gourd and then cut out multiple slits out of it after making a diagonal slit out of it. Now begin to arrange it as such on either side, and then in the center take another piece of the gourd. Make these V-shaped cuts all around its body. Before you do so, however, shape it like a leaf. Now begin to make the V-shaped cuts throughout, and then add this in the center of the leaves. Now add little eyes in the front of it as well. Once again take the gourd. This time only take the peel portion of it. Make two small slits out of it and then add it on either side as the antenna. Take these two circular shapes of the gourd and then add them on the sides of the wings as such. Do this all throughout for each wing. Next, take a gourd, make these diagonal slits out of it and make multiple slices as such. Now taking a plate, arrange them in a circular shape. Take a cherry tomato or a cherry itself. Cut it in half and then add them in the center of each of the gourds that you have cut. Now once you have done this all throughout, this is what it should look like. Next, take an orange, take out the pieces of it, slice it in half, however not all the way through. Make the circular shape after spreading it out as such. Now once you have done this, arrange it in a circular shape right underneath the green portion, and then afterwards put it one below the other. Now add a red cherry in the middle of it as such. You may add a cherry tomato for this or a cherry itself. Next, we'll start off by taking a beetroot, cut it up into two strips as such, make these diamond-like shapes out of it, and then remove most parts of the fruit of it. Now, do the same for the other strip that was present as well. Now, once you are done with this, take one of the pieces and then cut them up into smaller diamonds as such. Now, begin to cut off one half of it, and then afterwards, remove the peel portion of it. Now, the lighter portion will be seen. Arrange it one beside the other as such, and then make sure that you have enough to make a semicircular shape out of it. Now, cut out the shape out of it, and then use it as a stem. Take another piece of this vegetable, and then make another small strip out of it. Make these two diamond-like shapes and then add them on either side. Next, take these cherry tomatoes, cut it in half as such, and then afterwards take a gourd, make a small slice out of it, and then make multiple slices out of this. After you have taken your pieces, join them together in order to make a leaf-like shape. Keep it aside for now, however. Now, arrange these cherry tomatoes in a circle in the center. Make it a small circle. Now, once you are done with this, take the small pieces that you have taken and then make them face the opposite way. Add them on either side, and then make a small fountain-like design on one side of it. Now, after you are done with this, add some on the gaps that are present as well. Make sure that they are even in nature, and this will be the final look of our do. Next, we'll start off by taking this carrot, cut out a small stub of it, and then cut out the sides. That is the curved sides. Afterwards, begin to make these V-shaped cuts out of it, and then you should be left with a star shape. After you are left with the star shape, you may make slices out of it. This way, you will have more of these star shapes. Now turn it, make your slices out of it as such. Next, take a gourd and then make these slices out of it as well. Make sure that they are circular in nature. Arrange them one below the other as such, and then add the stars to the center all throughout. Afterwards, arrange two of them underneath. Next, we'll start off by taking this orange, cut out and make slices out of this as such. Now, arrange them facing each other and then move larger and larger as you progress with it as such. Once again, spread it out on one of the sides, do the same once more, and then join the two together in the center. You may use a toothpick in order to keep it together. Afterwards, take a strip of the gourd, cut off the fleshy portion of it, and then afterwards, make a small slit out of it, make it into the stem. Take these diamond-like cuts out of it, and then afterwards, make multiple slits onto half of it. Spread it out and then add it on either side as the leaves. Thank you for watching.